Stuck in a Messagebird maze and need a lifeline? This video is your express ticket to solving your problems. Let's get straight to it. There are multiple ways to connect with Messagebird's dedicated customer support team, ensuring you get the assistance you need. First up, email. You can reach out to them directly at support@messagebird.com. This is a great option for less urgent inquiries or when you need to provide detailed information and screenshots. For quicker real-time assistance, look for the chat icon on the Messagebird website. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Click on it to initiate a conversation with a support agent. Depending on your plan and region, phone support might also be available. Check the Messagebird website or your account dashboard for the specific phone number to call. Bear in mind, phone support availability can vary. Before reaching out, prep your essentials. Having your account sit ready, a clear description of the issue you're facing, and the steps to reproduce the error will significantly speed up the support process. The more info you put in, the easier it will be for them to help you. Before contacting support, explore the Messagebird knowledge base. You might find a solution to your problem faster than you think, with tons of helpful articles and facts. And there you have it. You're now equipped with all the knowledge to contact Messagebird support effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out and get your issues resolved.